My name is Ingrid Juliantias from Offering N. Identifying active and passive sentence in a basic textbook. 1. The demand for operations in science and engineering pushed us to I'm first for infallibility. Active simple present page 2. 2. In conversion, the units obey the sum algorithm. Roles as variable and numbers. Active simple present page 3. 3. Those extra digits are meaningless. Active simple present page 4. 4. Any phenomenon that repeats itself is a possible time start. Active simple present page 5. 5. Geologists use the physics to measure tectonic plates, mentioned as they attempt for predict earthquakes. Active simple present page 13. 6. The actual number of matter converted for a trip is irrelevant. This plan involves only the original and final positions. Active simple present page 14. 7. A plus seek for a displays need not be sound, but a minus seek must always be sound. Active simple present for page 14. 8. Displacement is an example for a vector quantity, which is a quantity that has both a direction and a magnitude. Active simple present page 15. 9. You may see other units in the problems, but they are always in the form of like time. Active simple present page 16. 10. Velocity is another vector quantity and thus has an adjusted direction. Active simple present page 18. 11. The steeper slope means that the magnitude of the direction is large. Active simple present page 21. 12. In other words, your body reacts to acceleration. It is an acceleration meter, but not to velocities. It is not a speedometer. Active simple present page 21. 13. We can take its mention to be positive in one of these direction and negative in the other. Active simple present page 40. 14. A vector quantity is a quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction and thus can be represented with a vector. Active simple present page 41. 15. Some physical quantities that are vector quantities are displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Active simple present page 41. 16. You will see many more record this book. So learning the rules for vector combination now will help you greatly in later chapters. Active simple future page 41. 70. The simple vector quantity is displacement or change of position. Active simple present page 41. 18. A vector can be shifted without changing its value if its legs and direction are not changed. Active simple present page 41. 19. This is also true of the relation of physics. They are all independent of the case of coordinates system. Active simple present page 47. 20. The answer is display is mathematical correctly, but it may not be the correct answer for the physical situation. Active simple present page 49. 21. This has been the second simple problem in which we need to take the derivative of the vector that is written in unit vector notation. Active simple expression perfect page 69. 22. Many sports involve the study of the projectile motion of ball. Active simple present page 70. 23. Now we are ready to analyze projectile motion horizontal and vertical. Active simple present 72. 24. We have assumed that the truck which the projectile move has no effect on the motion. Active present perfect 3. 25. The horizontal and vertical components of the capsule's vertical velocity are independent. Active simple present 74. 26. The velocity is always directed tangent of the circle in the direction of motion. Active simple present 76. 27. Top Gun pilots have long worried about taking a turn too quickly. Active present perfect 77. 28. In everyday life, that object is the ground. Active simple present 78. 29. They will move upward of purpose lobes around poles or by sitting in ascending or descending elevator. Active simple future 95. 30. These ideals were reasonable. Active simple past 95. 31. Thus the acceleration is proportional to the force. Active simple present 96. 32. We now have a workable definition of the force unit. Active simple present page 96. Yes. 33. 4 is a vector quantity and thus has not only magnitude but also direction. Active simple present page 96. 34. First we must be certain about which body we are playing it to. Active simple present page 98. 35. Suppose a body of mass m is in first fall with the free fall acceleration of magnitude g. Active simple present 100, 102. 36. To wake a body means the measure is wake. Active simple present 103. 47. The body interaction, a spring moving a pointer along a scale that has been calibrated and marked in other mass of wing units. Active present perfect, page 104. 38. Albanese wake it, not this mass. Active simple present, page 104. 39. We can also check the result by studying special case in which we can guess what the answer must be. Active simple present, page 109. 14. From Newton's second law, a second force must also be active on the crate to counteract your force. Active simple present 125. 41. Apparently the personal force can change in magnitude so that the two forces still balance. Active simple present, page 125. 42. Note the reduced force needed to keep the block moving at constant speed after breakaway. Active simple present, page 126. 43. He opened her broadhut and then, after releasing her, he opened a scan before impact. Active simple past, page 132. 44. Then it's past and you proved that needed centripetal force on you and you joined the car's uniform's circular motion. Active simple past, page 133. 45. The pull on you by Earth has certainly that not disappeared and in fact in only a little less than it will be with you on the ground. Active present perfect, page 137. 46. However, we will not need a tilted coordinate system as with other ramps. Active simple future 137. 47. Work has the same units as energy and is a scalar quantity. Active simple present, page 152. 48. This is consistent with the slowing of the object as it rises. Active simple present, page 100 and 56. 49. We give the block a required check to get it moving and then leaving it alone. Active simple present, page 170. 50. Here we use the general result of the integration. Active simple present, page 161. 1. The variation is due to tidal effects caused by the mound on the length, color, skull wings. Passive simple present fake 6. 2. The masses of atoms can be compared with one another more precisely that they can be compared with the standard kilograms. Passive simple present fake 7. 3. Physics is based on measurement of physical quantities. Passive simple present fake 8. 4. The matter is defined as the distance traveled by light during a precisely special time interval. Passive simple present fake 8. 5. The kilogram is defined in terms of a platinum iridium standard mass Kepler Paris. Passive simple present fake 8. 6. Such sizes are so common that a special set of equation has been derived for dealing with them. Passive simple present perfect fake 23. 7. One approves to the derivation of this equation is given in this selection. Passive simple present fake 23. 8. A second approach is given in the next section. Passive simple present fake 23. 9. We are the present with of the remaining quantities and asked to find the 40. Passive simple present fake 24. 10. As a result of this finding, restaurants were built into cars, yet night injuries in ride and collisions continue to occur. Passive simple past fake 30. 11. A heat maze is a maze made by full run of heat. Passive simple present fake 48. 12. Motion in 3 dimensions is not easy to understand. Passive simple present fake 62. 13. Thus, a particle is called a protractile, meaning that it is protracted of launched, and its motion is called for protractile motion. Passive simple present fake 70. 14. Because of this, the acceleration associated with uniform circular motion is called centripetal acceleration. Passive simple present fake 78. 76. 15. Sometimes objects will even be attached together. Passive simple future fake 95. 16. The study of the relation as Newton present it is called Newtonian mechanics. Passive simple present page 95. 17. Similar about a body was thought to be in natural state when it was at rest. Passive simple past page 95. 18. In fact, called the principle of the superposition for force make everyday force reversible and predictable. Passive simple present fake 96. 19. The age of a body must be measured when the body is not acceleration vertical relative to the ground. Passive, simple present 104, pick 104, 12, 20. 20. Such a measure is called an upwardly wake. Passive, simple present, pick 104. 21. The resistant is considered to be single force, called either the vertical force or simple friction. Passive, simple present, pick 107, 105, 22. This force is directed along the surface opposite the direction of in that motion. Passive, simple present, pick 105. 23. The force is often called in a tension force because the cord is said to be in a state of tension or to be under tension. Passive, simple present, pick 105. 24. William Reserve extends itself internal injuries due to her lack of control and landing bad surface. Passive, simple past, pick 132. 25. This one hard pass in called negative leaf. Passive, simple present, pick 139. 26. Curved portion of hipboard are always bent-cut, tilted to prevent cards from sliding off the hickway. Passive, simple present, pick 137. 27. Rules have been made about what such many numbers means and how they can be changed. Passive, present perfect, pick 149. 28. Work has the same unit as energy and is a scalar quantity. Passive, simple present, pick 151. 29. They are independent of the magnitude of the force used. Passive, simple present, pick 157. 30. In this problem, an object is pulled along a ramp, but the object starts and ends at rest and thus has no overall change in its kinetic energy. Passive, simple present, page 157. 31. This unit is used so often but it has special name that Watt after James Watt, who greatly improved the rate at which steam engines could do work. Passive, simple present, pick 167. 32. They can be used equals well as unit for other examples of power and energy. Passive, simple present, page 167. 33. A balloon filled with jet water is placed in a pouch attached to the hose, which is then stretched through the width of the room. Passive, simple present 172. 34. A verb that is not conserved is called a non-conservative force. Passive, simple present page 179. 35. We know from experiment that the energy transferred cannot be reversed. There, my energy cannot be transferred back to kinetic energy of the black block by the kinetic friction force. Passive, simple present page 179. 36. When frictional and drag force do not act on the object in the system. Passive, simple present page 184. 37. In their dress, a block is pushed by a horizontal applet for across a floor that is not freshless. Passive, simple present page 194. 38. Also, we shall assume that the system is altered from its environment, that is, no external force from an object outside the system cause energy change inside the system. Passive, simple present page 100 and 84. 39. This result is called the principle of conservation of mechanical energy. Passive, simple present page 185. 14. We know how discussed the revolved situation is, which energy is transferred for or from objects and systems, much like money transferred between accounts. Passive, simple present page 195. 41. This law of conservation of energy is not something we have derived from basic physical principles. Passive, simple present page 185. 42. Some of it is transferred to his kinetic energy. Passive, simple present page 196. Yes. 43. Work with energy transferred for or from a system by means of external force acting of the system. Passive, simple present page 200. 44. We are not required to place the origin of the coordinate system on one of the particles. Passive, simple present page 215. 45. The position of the center of mass is now definite. Passive, simple present 215. 46. Two particles of masses m1 and m2 are separated by distance d. Passive, simple present page 215. 15. 47. If the particles are distributed in 3 dimensions, the center of mass must be indicated by 3 coordinates: passive, simple present, peak, 216. 48. The position of the center of mass marked by a dot the figure. Passive, simple present, page 200 and 23. 49. The Rigg size, which is a measure of both the magnitude and direction of the collision force, is called the impulse. Passive, simple present, peak 226. 50. The result is called the law of conservation of linear momentum and is an extremely powerful tool in solving problems. Passive, simple present, peak 230. Thank you.